So let's look at bare and bare. So bare, to be empty or without. The room is very bare. There's nothing here. There's nothing here in the room. It's very bare. Or this chest is bare. It's empty. Nothing inside it. It's a very bare chest. And bear, an animal. An animal. Yeah. A very ferocious looking bear with teeth. You know, let's say ears, and let's say eyes, and whatever else like that. Things with teeth. You know, the eyes are there. Maybe with claws as well. And beyond. Yeah, and beyond. Okay, so a bear. Did you see the bear in the forest? We have bears at the zoo. That is the bear enclosure in the zoo. Don't go there, but in that town there's a lot of bears running loose in the forest near the town. But here we barely have any food. It's very bare here. No food, no water, no electricity. What next? It's running low. We're running very bare on essentials. Bare essentials. The absolute basic and most simple. To be empty or without. We don't need this, we don't need that, but we need this. We barely have enough. Barely have enough. Barely. Barely, like 1%. Barely enough battery. Barely enough time. Very good. Yeah. So bear and bear. Okay. Let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.